Airline. Airline. I booked my ticket through a popular airline for the holiday. Airport. Airport. The airport was busy with travelers waiting for their flights. Adapter. Adapter. I need an adapter to charge my phone in this country. Accelerometer. Accelerometer. The smartphone uses an accelerometer to detect motion. Antihistamine. Antihistamine. She took an antihistamine to relieve her allergy symptoms. Apparatus. Apparatus. The scientist set up the apparatus carefully for the experiment. Actor. Actor. The actor delivered a powerful performance in the movie. Aglet. Aglet. The aglet on my shoelace broke, making it hard to tie. Ankle. Ankle. He twisted his ankle while playing soccer yesterday. Archive. Archive. The old letters were stored safely in the digital archive. Antenna. Antenna. The TV antenna caught the signal clearly from the broadcast. Attire. Attire. Formal attire is required for the company's annual dinner. Access. Access. You need a password to access the secure website. Ammunition. Ammunition. The soldiers carried ammunition for their rifles. Apricot. Apricot. I enjoyed a fresh apricot from the fruit market this morning. Airlock. Airlock. The astronaut passed through the airlock before entering space. Aircraft. Aircraft. The aircraft landed smoothly despite the stormy weather. Antique. Antique. She collects antique furniture from the 18th century. Artist. Artist. The artist painted a beautiful landscape at sunset. Abode. Abode. Their new abode is a cozy house by the lake. Arsenal. Arsenal. The factory produces an arsenal of tools for construction work. Alpaca. Alpaca. Alpacas are gentle animals often raised for their wool. Automobile. Automobile. He drives a red automobile to work every day. Airplane. Airplane. The airplane took off on time despite the fog. Alphabet. Alphabet. Children learn the alphabet before they start reading. Attic. Attic. We stored old photo albums in the dusty attic. Acoustic. Acoustic. The concert featured an acoustic guitar performance. Adobe. Adobe. The house was built with adobe bricks to keep it cool inside. Anchor. Anchor. The ship dropped its anchor near the shore. Atlas. Atlas. She used an atlas to plan her trip around Europe. Altar. Altar. The wedding ceremony took place near a decorated altar. Alleyway. Alleyway. They walked through a narrow alleyway to reach the cafe. Armchair. Armchair. He relaxed in a comfortable armchair after a long day. Adornment. Adornment. The necklace was a beautiful adornment to her evening dress. Aquarium. Aquarium. The children loved watching colorful fish in the aquarium. Aspirin. Aspirin. She took aspirin to reduce the headache. Analyzer. Analyzer. The lab technician used an analyzer to test the water quality. Air purifier. Air purifier. The air purifier helped reduce dust in the living room. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. His alarm clock wakes him up every morning at 6 a.m. Album. Album. They released their new music album last month. Activewear. Activewear. She bought new activewear for her daily workouts. Applesauce. Applesauce. I added applesauce to the recipe for extra flavor. Apple slicer. Apple slicer. The apple slicer made cutting the fruit quick and easy. Air gun. Air gun. He used an air gun to clean dust from his keyboard. Address book. Address book. She keeps all her contacts in an old-fashioned address book. Art smock. Art smock. The children wore art smocks to protect their clothes while painting. Air mattress. Air mattress. We inflated the air mattress for guests to sleep on. Agate ring. Agate ring. She wore a beautiful agate ring on her finger. Apron. Apron. The chef tied an apron before starting to cook. Armband. Armband. The runner wore a bright armband for better visibility. Armoire. Armoire. The antique armoire stored all her winter clothes. Ankle socks. Ankle socks. He prefers ankle socks during summer for better comfort.